This is the fourth Tacoma we built on this channel. Every time we build one like this, I get the same question. How much does it really cost to build a Tacoma like this? Today, I'm breaking this whole truck down, part by part. And at the end, I'm giving you the full total. Stay here and watch the full transformation. First thing we're gonna be installing is the wheels and tires. This will change the whole look. Look at the difference here. We have Predator tires, 20-inch wheels, 20x9 ET10. As you can see here, it's gonna look more aggressive. Definitely will look a lot better. These are TRD Pro style wheels, 20-inch. We're gonna have to take off the mud flaps here. We don't need those because I wanted to give it a more aggressive look. You can see here, looks like a regular truck, more aggressive without the mud flaps. Plus, it's gonna give you a little bit more clearance, so in the front it doesn't hit. We don't have to do any modifications. Let's take out the other side. What do you guys think? Do you like the mud flaps on a pickup truck or without the mud flaps? Leave it in the comments. One thing I want to point out, we did not touch the factory suspension. Everything is stock, no blocks, everything as it is. So we are using 275 5520s. One thing we're going to do is we're going to take this off because we're going to be installing also the skid plate and it's going to be looking more aggressive. So let's do it. Look how close is this with the tire. So this is why we're going to take it off. Plus, it looks ugly. I don't like this. I like the look with the skid plate, so let's take it off. You're about to see a big difference here just by taking off this. Look, more clearance, looking more aggressive, and once we have installed the skid plate, it's gonna look a lot better. I want you to see the difference here. This is the factory wheel with the factory tire. Look at this right here. There's a big difference here between the factory wheels and tires and the ones we installed. As you can see here, more aggressive. You know, the stance is good. It's popping out a little bit, so it's looking a lot better. Now from the front, you can clearly see the difference here. This one is popping out a little bit more aggressive look than the factory one. You can zoom it in here. This looks, you know, factory, not aggressive, and just a big change with only wheels and tires, guys. Look at this, 20x9 wheels with 275 5520 tires. Remember guys, you have to install these screws back in. Look at this guys, a lot of difference now with wheels and tires, and this upgrade is gonna cost you $2,000. Here we have the wheels and tires 20x9 ET positive 10. There is not gonna be any rubbing here, plenty of space, maybe a little bit of trimming if you wanna hit the trails or going off-road, but for street purposes, it's gonna work just fine. I wanna show you now how it looks from the side. Look at this guys. Next is gonna be the grille. This is the face of the truck. As you can see here, it changes the whole look from factory to build, and this is gonna cost $250. All right guys, let's reinstall the bumper with the new grille already installed. See how it looks? This is a final product grille already installed. This This is a TRD Pro style grill with the Raptor lights. It has an LED bar. I'm gonna show you the button we have here. It's being installed here in the factory panel. You press it and you get the LED bar on. Factory functions here with the LED bar. I'm gonna show you now the factory one that he had, and as you can see here, it's a lot different, guys. This one has the Raptor lights, the LED bar, and this is just a simple grill. And leave me in the comments, which one do you like the best? The factory one or the TRD Pro style one? Now we're gonna be installing the hard folding tonneau cover on this Tacoma. As you can see here, there is no protection. Anything that you have in here can be stolen. If it rains, it's gonna get wet. With this hard folding tonneau cover by TonnoFlip, the problem will be solved. As you can see here, we relocated the factory rail, so we did not lose it. We attached it to the factory brackets, and that's it. Now let's go to the other side. Lightweight, made of aluminum. You just place it on top of the rails. Very easy, guys. You're not gonna break your back here. Look, you grab it, very easy. I'm just trying not to break it because I haven't been doing this in a while. I'm doing it very calmly here. Not in a rush, guys. I'm not in a rush. Now look at this, TonnoFlip tonneau cover. Hard folding tonneau cover is finished, and this will cost $899. Remember, you can step on it. It holds up to 800 pounds of weight on top of it. Now we're gonna be installing the skid plate, guys. This is very important because this Tacoma comes with just a plastic skid plate. I don't know if I can call it skid plate because this does not protect anything at all. And this mod is gonna cost $500. Look at this, guys. Zero protection. What is this, Toyota? What did you do with this? No protection, guys. Look. Now let's install skid plate. Look at this, no protection. Now he can go off-roading and he's gonna be protected here. Now let's do the Nerf bars. Now there is a big difference. If you don't have Nerf bars, there is an advantage to it. I know they look good, they look aggressive, they give you a different taste of the truck, but look, if you're a short guy like me, you kind of wanna have to jump here to get inside, right? And also when getting out, you almost have to jump. But let's see what happens when you have Nerf bars. Look at the difference, guys. It looks more aggressive. It looks clean. Now it's gonna be easier to step inside the truck. I'm gonna open the door here real quick. As you can see here, I'm just stepping on it, getting in the truck. And if I'm getting out, I just step here. Very easy. And look how they look. As you can see, Nerf bars already installed. They look very nice. Plus, they give you this advantage. You can step into the truck very easily. Also, getting out is easier when you have these drop-down Nerf bars. And this is gonna add $500 to the build. Now we're gonna be installing the door visors on this Toyota Tacoma. And this is something that a lot of people don't know, but once you have it, it's awesome. You can crack the windows down a little bit, let the truck breathe. And if it's raining, no water is coming in. And they look so nice, guys. And this is gonna add $89 to this build. Let's do it. besides all the benefits we have with the TFP door visors, I want you to see how flush and nice they look on this Toyota Tacoma. I can't describe the words because I love these door visors. I'm personally not a fan of door visors, but ever since TFP came out, I just love door visors. We do thousands of trucks here every year. And as you can see, I can show you guys, we have 2 trucks here with the TFP door visor, fully built with TonnoFlip accessories. As you can see, we have this Toyota Tacoma, plus we have this TRD Pro Tundra. If you wanna see the full transformation of both trucks, subscribe to our channel, TonnoFlip. You'll be able to see the full build, everything we did to both of these trucks and much more. We're gonna be building trucks every week, guys. TonnoFlip.com. We're gonna be #1 in pickup truck accessories. All right, guys, we're gonna be installing now the TonnoFlip roof racks on this Toyota Tacoma, and this is gonna add $299 to this build. This is a very easy installation, guys. It comes with 4 pre-drilled holes here, so no modification needed. You just use the 4 screws that come in the box, and that's it. Let's install the bed extender. Look at this, TFP, and this is gonna add $300 to this build. A simple upgrade that might just get your life easier. You're not gonna get any scratches on the new bed. You're not gonna get stuff shifting forward. TonnoFlip bed mat. And this is gonna add $150 to this build. I want protection for my interior as well. So I'm gonna be installing the TonnoFlip floor liners because I see the factory mats and this does not protect anything in the inside. Look at the difference here. It's very clear. You get raised edges, anything that spills here is gonna stay here. It's not allowing anything to go through the carpet. And this is a very simple installation that you can do in 2 minutes. And this is gonna add $150 to this build. Tiny little mats that does not protect your floor. Look at this, guys. Look at the difference right here. In under 1 minute, you get all your truck very protected now. I want you to look at the back here. There is no protection in the center hump, no protection here, no protection on the sides. 2 tiny little mats. Again, we are getting rid of these factory floor liners. Now, this back is gonna be protected with the best interior floor liners. Look at this, very easy installation. Protecting everything here. Remember, guys, TonnoFlip.com. We're about to bring this brand to the whole world, from Puerto Rico, the United States, and then to the whole world. Now we're gonna be breaking down all the parts and accessories we installed on this Toyota Tacoma. Remember, guys, this is not an off-road truck. This is just a daily driver. All the accessories installed here is just for a regular truck that you can use daily. This is the fourth Tacoma we built on this channel, and a lot of people ask me how much it costs to make a build like this. We added everything up: skid plate, front grille, Nerf bars, wheels and tires, door visors, roof rack, floor liners, hard folding tonneau cover, bed extender, bed mat, and muffler tip. And the total to build a Tacoma like this is $5,296. Now the real question is, would you spend $5,296 on a build like this? For some people it's a lot of money, for others it's just worth it. Leave it in the comments if you will build a Tacoma like this one.